Have you ever wondered what happens when nature itself must choose who survives?
Tonight, two legends of the wild face each other. Will raw power win, or mercy? This jungle is my home. He was not just strong. He was a guardian. I chose balance, not blood. This jungle survives on fear. An ancient predator that never learned mercy. There is only one law: power. And then, the jungle heard a cry. That cry would change everything. Do not fear, I am here. But in the shadows, something else was watching. The weak belong to me. Now, a decision had to be made. This was not a battle of strength, but of intent. Go! The jungle has seen enough blood. That was not weakness. And the jungle breathed again. If you were there, would you choose power or mercy? If you liked this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.